So the room makeover is finally happening. This is step one. My Billy book cases have arrived, but these are not for books. Are you ready? Let's go. So I have taken, I think, over a year to get to this point. The last time I was in IKEA, you guys saw me looking at these and then ordering them. They are here. They have been assembled. I'm very excited. So actually these cupboards, the other two are going to probably be removed and then these are going to go that side. But I feel like for now, rather than leaving them empty, I'm going to fill them with my shoes and bags. So before this, I was using like this random cupboard for all my shoes where everything was shoved in and I didn't even see half my shoes. So I don't wear a lot of my shoes. So I'm thinking I'm going to keep that for like my flats and my other stuff. This is gonna be like my fancy, nice, pretty stuff, like my sneakers, my heels. And I have spent the last 2 hours cleaning my shoes and putting them here because I don't want to put into the new closet without cleaning them, and I have my bag. So I'm rambling. Let's get started. So these are the lovely cases. They are really pretty. I love the green color. Honestly, the green color is what made me want to buy them. Lots of shelves. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves. And the beauty is that you can kind of move these shelves. The carpenter showed me it's very easy to move them if you want to move them. For now, I'm just leaving them as is. So this is what my closet is looking like right now. And all my shoes and bags are here. I have cleaned and sorted. I have like my heels, my flats. So you can see those are like my higher, you know, like high tops or my longer boots and stuff like that. My regular sneakers, my fancy-ish sneakers, my heels. I don't really have a lot of heels anymore. And then I have a lot of my pretty shoes, which I definitely want to display in my bags. Not a lot of bags right now because I still have to figure the bag scene, but let's see. Guys, the chief inspector is here. He's ready to check the cupboards. You like my new closets? Should I put you on one shelf? I'm really not sure of how I want to do this because there's like a lot of stuff. The bag one I could maybe even use for products because I don't have that many bags and I feel like my shoes should fit into one, but I'm not sure. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? I think let's start with maybe this one as the sneaker one and then take it from there. We'll never know if we don't start, right? So let's go. I'm gonna start with taking my shoes from here and just kind of like picking them and, you know, placing them accordingly. I feel like I'm gonna put the taller ones on the top because I don't usually wear them a lot. Also, I'm not sure if I should do the one both Sida or one, like, you know what I mean, like this, or I mean like this or like this. We'll figure. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna start with the tallest ones on the top. Gonna start with my newest ones that I love. Recently bought these from Bangkok. I'm gonna put these up here. Yes, and my orange guys here. Should we do the one front back? I'm not sure. I can't decide whether I should do the, like, you know, I don't know. Okay, for now, let's just see how many fit. Yeah, I think one back, one front makes more sense than both front. But I don't know. I can't tell. What do you guys think? I feel like the both front look prettier, but like I'm not sure. But it's pretty big. Like right now I'm fitting 4 pairs into one shelf, which is pretty good. Like I think that's pretty amazing. Okay, next up, I think I'm gonna do like now my like big favorite sneakers that I wear. I do have a lot of sneakers still that are even boxed that I have not worn, which is a shame, but they are there. So I'm thinking maybe like a box somewhere to break things, to kind of mix it up. You know what I mean? It's gonna fall. Okay, I've managed to fit quite a lot. I have some of these which are my older sneakers, which are not like my fancy sneakers. The box doesn't fit into the thing, it's not wide enough. So I'm thinking now what to do. These are the shoes that are still boxed, which I told you guys about. You've seen the unboxing of this pair. I still haven't worn them, which is really sad, but maybe if I see them, I'll wear them. Okay, so here's the deal. A lot of my bigger pairs, like the Converse ones, the doors don't shut because they're too long, so I have to keep them this way. And if I put the others alternate, that works well where I get 4 pairs in. But I also have a lot of heels which I have not accounted for yet. And if I put this way, the heels are not going to fit, and then I'll have to use this for the heels and half for the bag. So I'm a little confused now. What do we do? Okay, so my plan right now is to kind of leave this. I've left the bottom 2 shelves pretty much empty for now. I'm going to use this side for my heels, my collection of Mary Janes and my bags, and then I'm going to take a call on what I kind of want to mix up with this and how I want to mix it up. So I'm definitely putting my Telfa on the top for like a pop of color, because I feel like it'll be nice to have like a bit of a pop, you know, on the top of orange. This side, let's mix up with boxes and stuff. This is my Sabya stuff. Maybe I can keep the little box and take the big box out, or put this on this. Yeah, better. Last pair that's going in. Can you guess how old these shoes are? I wore them for my 18th birthday and I'm turning 39 next week. Yeah, that's how they used to make shoes earlier. I also have like a sentimental attachment to these. I don't really wear them a lot, but honestly, I just like keeping them because they are from my 18th birthday party, if you know what I mean. They're going right at the bottom, and that's the last pair. I'm going to show you guys the whole closet. I thought a lot more would fit, but if you want to do it aesthetically and Pinteresty, this is what fits. My shoes are all in there. That's where my bags were. Those are just khali bags. This guy couldn't fit in anywhere. He's become too chunky. But this is what the closets are looking like. I actually quite like the look of them right now, but I've tried to do a little aesthetic and pretty and stuff like that. On the top, you've got my Telfa and my other chud bags. I do have other bigger designer bags and stuff, but I haven't really put those in yet. Also, this right now, I've done really aesthetically and pretty and stuff, but I don't think I'm going to keep it like that long term because I have to fit more stuff in. So you can see the bottom shelf has my heels that I don't wear that often. Again, more heels that I don't wear that often. My shoes. This I feel is like the prettiest shelf. Like these are the prettiest shoes I own, and I created one of them, so very excited. Bags here. This guy is all sneakers as of now. For now, I have put in like my jewelry box in here just for like a pop of color, and I do have one shelf khali because it's my birthday next week, right? So my birthday shoes have to come in as well. So this is what it looks like with everything open. Just gonna shut it so you can actually see how I've actually positioned stuff also. So the ones on the side I've deliberately kind of put this way so it looks pretty, you know, when it's closed as well. And I'm pretty happy with this right now. I know a lot of this aestheticness will go and I will just start putting more shoes in because there's a lot more shoes that are not here. I still have shoes at Worley that are not here. This is as pretty as it gets. But there's a surprise. I also bought like my dream chair. So we're gonna unbox that as well. I've been waiting to do this for almost a month because I wanted to like, I saw it like as sitting in front of this and filming videos like this. Like this is what I had seen. I am obsessed with this chair. I have been stalking it for ages and I've got it. It's in the box. Let's go. Yes, it's orange. Ta-da! And I think we're done, guys. I think this is the new corner. I'm very excited about it. So obviously this will move when I want to open this and stuff, but I thought this could be like a new filming spot. And this, you remember, I bought it ages ago. I haven't placed it anywhere. I thought it could work well with the colors. And yeah, this is just temp. I've just like styled it for now, but I like this new setup. What do you guys think? Okay guys, I've spent 3 hours doing this. I am very excited. Ignore this because this is going to go, as I said. We're going to probably push all of this that way or leave this way. I love it. Like, I am really liking the vibe of this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm very excited about this. It has taken me very long to do this, like in terms of in life, to get stuff and organize it. And yeah, I love it. If you like the new setup, give it a thumbs up and comment below and tell me what you think of this, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.